How to remove the elevating arm from your DT340 pipe crawler. First, remove the camera head by using an Allen key to loosen each of the 4 screws. Support the camera head while loosening the last screw so that it doesn't fall. Lift the release and remove the camera head. Loosen the 2 socketed captures at the front of the elevating arm. Conversely, loosen the 2 socketed captures at the back. Remove the relay at the front of the body by loosening the 4 screws. The relay's removal releases the elevating arm from the unit. Reattach the camera head by inserting it into the socket and tightening the 4 screws. Detach the lifting hook from the elevating arm by using a Phillip head screwdriver to remove the 2 screws. Insert the plunger from the lifting hook into the port and secure it by inserting and tightening the 2 screws. For more tips and guides, visit our resources at deeptrekker.com.